I have Saturday, so. That help you anything? So they all had their car seats yesterday. Okay, we'll see you guys.
You okay?